Hey there. Today, we're going to dive into a common problem that many developers face when working with SwiftUI on iOS devices. The problem at hand is determining whether the device has a top notch based on the safe area insets of the root view. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The key to solving this issue lies in leveraging a geometry reader at the top of the view hierarchy. By placing a geometry reader directly within the window group, we can obtain the safe area insets and pass them down using an environment key. To implement this solution, you simply need to nest your content view within the geometry reader in the window group. By setting the content view's environment with the safe area insets obtained from the geometry reader, you can access and utilize these insets within your views. One neat trick to ensure this solution works seamlessly in Xcode previews is to encapsulate the geometry reader and ZStack into a convenient view modifier. This way, you can easily incorporate the safe area insets within your content view, even when previewing your code. And there you have it. By following this approach, you can accurately determine the presence of a top notch on iOS devices using pure SwiftUI techniques without relying on uikit elements. It's a neat and elegant solution that fits perfectly within the SwiftUI ecosystem. Well, that's all for today's discussion on handling top notches in SwiftUI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember, the notch may be at the top, but your SwiftUI skills are always on point. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.